Most people get this wrong when filing their Wyoming LLC annual report. They think Wyoming is completely hands-off and forget about the filing until they get hit with penalties. But here's the truth no one tells you. Even though Wyoming is business-friendly, you still have to file your annual report correctly to keep your LLC active. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to file your Wyoming LLC annual report in 2026 step by step, how much it usually costs, and the mistakes that can put your business at risk. First, let's clear something up quickly. Wyoming LLCs are required to file an annual report every year with the Wyoming Secretary of State. This filing keeps your company information updated and confirms your business is still active. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your deadline is based on your LLC formation anniversary month, not the calendar year. If Alex formed his LLC on August 10th, his annual report is due by the first day of August every year. This is where most people fail. They assume the due date is December, like taxes, then completely miss the filing window. So here's the easiest way to file. Go to the Wyoming Secretary of State website and search for your LLC name or filing ID. Once you locate your company, click the Annual Report Filing option. The online system is usually the fastest method. You'll review your business details, confirm your registered agent information, update addresses if needed, and submit payment online. But here's the problem. Many LLC owners forget to keep their registered agent information current. If legal notices go to the wrong address, your business can run into serious problems later. Now let's talk about the filing fee because this part confuses a lot of people. Wyoming's annual report fee is often based on the value of assets located in Wyoming. However, many small online businesses end up paying the minimum fee amount. In a minute, I'll show you the simple habit that helps business owners avoid late penalties forever. Before that, here's another important detail. After you file, download the confirmation immediately. Jake once assumed his payment processed correctly, but the submission failed, and he did not realize it until months later. Always save the receipt and email confirmation. Now here's the easiest habit. Create a recurring yearly reminder in your phone 2 weeks before your anniversary month starts. That one reminder can save you late fees and possible administrative dissolution. Also remember this. Filing the annual report does not replace your federal or state tax obligations. Those are separate responsibilities. So, to recap, check your LLC anniversary month, file through the Wyoming Secretary of State website, verify your registered agent information carefully, pay the required fee, and save your confirmation receipt. If this video helped simplify the Wyoming LLC annual report process for 2026, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with the next business topic you want covered.